Oh, I will. Today's outing. There's ice underneath the snow, and we walked up the one road, and the ice underneath the snow is slippery. And it's been snowing, and this is my first real walk since my surgeries, I should say. And let me start back over here because I want you to see the bridge. Footprints. There's some deer track out here that we've noticed, but I think there's mostly dog tracks and people tracks. But this is gorgeous out here. Look at those big rocks. Let me see if I can zoom in over there a little bit. I know it's kind of grainy. I apologize, but it's a phone. One of these days I'll get my camera working. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to take them across the bridge, and then we'll walk back. I love the sound and the feel of the snow crunching underneath my feet. And you can feel the ice under, too. And there's a path that goes up that hill, but it's just a lot of ice up there, so we're not going to attempt it. And look at the icicles. Get a little closer. Yeah, it's just gorgeous out here. Winter. How can anybody say they hate winter? They need to come out here if they really hate winter and cold, because this is gorgeous and really it feels great. So let me get some more of the crick. Take this back. Okay. Okay, we're on the north side of the trail now. Beautiful pine trees, pine cones. Can think of all kinds of different crafts I can do with a pine cone. This is the best place to get your crafting supplies if you're cheap, like me. Old log. Have to wonder what lives in some of these logs. This is wonderful. I feel great out here. I feel like this is energizing. It's cleansing. Healing, even. Oh, look, a tree down in the trail. That's okay. Oh, I wish I could take a lot of you with me. There's a few of you, and you know who you are. I'm definitely going to be bringing up here one day. Okay. You can see a cave with all the icicles across the way. There's one over there. Let me see if I can make it look closer. It might be... This is gorgeous. I'd love to cross over here and just kind of explore, but Ron says no. I mean, there's a place I could get across there easily, especially holding the stick. Okay. So it's going to be dark pretty soon, and so we're heading back. And I just thought I'd end the video with the trail back.
See you next time.
Bye.